Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device and immediate backups. This matters because methods differ between Android and iPhone. First, open Settings and go to Accounts or iCloud to verify a recent backup timestamp. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone is charging so the restore won't fail mid-process. Next, open the Contacts app and look for a trash or recently deleted folder. If present, you can restore items directly from there in minutes. You now perform the actual restore. For Android, sign into Google Contacts on the web, choose Undo Changes within 30 days, then sync the phone. For iPhone, sign into iCloud. Open Contacts, select the contact and restore. If you have a VCF export, import it via Contacts Import. Once imported, force a sync in Settings to ensure the device receives the updated list. If the number lived inside an app, check app backups or chat histories, where numbers often persist. You finish by confirming the contact appears across phone, messages, and third-party apps. Open each to confirm correct name and number formatting. If it's missing, make sure Contact Sync is enabled and the account used for backup is the same one on the device, then retry the restore. If restore still fails, consider a reputable data recovery tool or contact your carrier for call logs. However, use recovery tools cautiously and back up current data first to avoid overwrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.